a gun? Dude, you got yourself a nice selfie. Good job. Sit up. You grown-ass man. Sit up. Do you know anytime you run, it's a felony now?
I noticed them not too long ago.
Well, that was me.
Yeah, I was trying to...
You noticed me? Do you have a weapon on you? Just a magazine?
No, that's fine.
Oh, is that yours? Okay. You go ahead and shoot it there. Look, it's going to be Zebra 375. Zebra 375.
All units will resume for
Yeah, I got... Oh. Okay.
No, for example, you need to tell them to bike.
No, they put. Well, they would. What they do. One pulled over, then the other one pulled over, and he takes off. Gotcha.
Hey, person, I said I'm good, Mr. Milan, please.
Video is the 28.
623 Zebra Hannah George, 623 VHG.
No, it was in his backpack. Well, yeah. Did you see the other two? Oh, okay. Yeah, you saying about the line again? Yeah. I said I was going to get the picture. But what happened, Charette had traffic that's kind of like it is right now. He come up, whoa! He tried to weave his way through there, so I jumped in this and stayed even with him, and then he came right up here, got behind, and he stopped, and Charette turned around on him. Yep. I told him, dude, you know, you get a felony for all this now. He said, really? Yep. I mean, you should have saw him when he come by wagon wheel. I was like, man, that was like in and out of traffic doing this. And I was in Dixie, which you were talking about. Yeah, they was just boom, boom, boom. Then they gathered up. It's 73. They took off again. Then the other two, they pulled over, and then He sit right there. He thought about it, and then he just takes off. I know it.
I also have my key to laying down there. That door too.
Okay. You can if you want to. Yeah. I'll be down there in a little bit. All right. Well, yeah. I mean, they were getting it, boy. I only got one of them, the first one that went by, I think it was him, like at 103, and then the other ones, they went by so goddamn fast. They were trying to catch up to him. 42 called it in. Oh.
Oh, did you want to mention that?
77, right? Yeah, 70, 77, 78, and then the 77, then... It was 81, right? Yeah, 81, that's right. Yeah. Who's that? Hill was 42? No, Joey. Joey, oh, okay. Yeah. Good.
Did you want to walk these out?
Reminds me of the night you called and all those cars coming south.
They're showing 15 with mail.
Oh, yeah.
You go charge BPA, OCA, BCA, just fill it.
Drop them off. Record gets there.
See them? All right.
Yeah, man. Damn, what is turkey leg?
If you want to go,
I'm going to say it. Oh, okay. Did they call for a record yet? Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah. I'll follow him down there.
all right, then.
All right.
Ford Rebel. 1015, 1019, Washington.